have one new message.
Why would you answer the fucking phone?
Hey, what's up, y'all? So, today's quote is, letting go means to come to the realization that some people are a part of your history, but not a part of your destiny. And that's by Steve Marbley. Most definitely gotta let go to grow sometime. Let go to grow sometime. So, that's my quote of the day. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Let me know y'all thoughts. And shoot me some quotes, you know what I'm saying, that resonates with you.
Up in the Benzo, tryna hop in the Bentley. I ain't really looking for a bitch, gotta have a little bit of blue cheese. I ain't even gon' lie though, still ain't where I wanna be. I don't care about a bad hoe with a bankroll on empty. Ain't T tryna check me, you don't call that hoe no bitch. Okay. That tramp ain't no bitch. Told a bitch I'm about chips. Said it's good, that's nonsense. On the block list, on the blacklist. It's a fake page, gotta block this. She be buzzing, need to chill, please. She be tryna go all out. Long live my cousin Tino. It's the shit he was talking about. How to tag with reality. I ain't even try to sell a dream. I just want my monopoly. Why the fuck you talking about a wedding ring? She's so delusional. I say what's real, this how I feel. She never listen. I showed her something I ain't really what she used to though. All in the feelings in her head, it's how it's supposed to go. She's so delusional, she's so delusional. I say what's real, this how I feel, she never listen, I showed her something I ain't really what she used to though. All in the feelings in her head, it's how it's supposed to go. So delusional. Hop out your feelings and hop in the bag. Fuck what it say on the tag. Fuck what it say on the tag. Yeah, I be speaking.